Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is going to be a new Walmart haul and a new Dollar Tree haul. Oh my God. Anyway, let's start first with Walmart. Now, if you check my old videos from maybe like a week ago, week and a half ago, something like that, I did a Walmart haul and I bought all these new Cheeto macaroni and cheeses. So they have jalapeno cheese. I seen like the flaming hot I have, which is extremely hot and it's really dark red. And then they have like the bowl cheese, which is like the normal Cheetos flavor. I tried the jalapeno cheese. They're really good. It has like a little spice to it, but I'm not too crazy about spice. I don't like spicy food. The flaming hot I never used yet because my husband or my son, they'll eat all that spicy stuff. I just like the regular one. Oh my God. You have to try them. So I went to my normal Walmart that's down the street from me. They did not have no more. The guy said they were a limited edition. But that's not really true. These are real macaroni and cheeses, just like the Kraft is that they sell in stores. So I had to go to a real far Walmart just to get these Cheetos, macaroni and cheeses. And this is what they look like, guys. They're only 94 cents at my Walmart, 94 cents. And it's a nice big box. And what I love about these is it has this big spiral noodles. It's not like your elbow macaroni. And it's so good, guys. I'm talking about straight Cheetos flavor cheese. It is really, really good. You don't even need to add your own flavoring to it. Just make it normally like it is. It's so good. I had to go and buy more of these. So I did a Walmart haul, and then I definitely went to Dollar Tree. So I definitely recommend this. If your kids like mac and cheese, or if you like Cheetos, try these. They, like I said, they have a flaming hot, and they do have a jalapeno. I ended up buying 10 boxes. There was only like 4 more left of the regular one. I only bought the regular this time. I did not buy the jalapeno or any of those because I already used them before. They're okay. I'm not like crazy about them. They're okay. The flaming hot one I never tried yet. But this flavor here, it is fire, guys. I'm talking about it's all that. It is all that. You have to try it. So I got so attached to these Cheetos, I was like, oh my God, I have to buy all the Cheetos. I'm definitely going back, and I'm going to definitely get more later. But like I said, I only bought the orange box, the bowl cheese. So like I said, they're only 94 cents at my Walmart. So I picked up 10 boxes. 10 boxes of the Cheetos. Oh my God. I just had to get those Cheetos, guys. I love it. And then they have these at that certain Walmart. Other Walmarts don't have them. But these are like the cup of soups. But this is the cheddar cheese flavor. Doesn't have no veggies in here. It doesn't have anything. It's just straight cheddar cheese. And I really like these. So I got 4 of those. And I don't even know how much they cost. I think they were like 42 cents or something like that. I don't know. I just grabbed 4 for right now. Whoops. So I got 4 of those. Oops, sorry guys. I'm like taking everything out the bags. Okay, that's the other one. And then when I was at Walmart, wait a minute. Whew, I got a whole bunch of these, guys. I got more of the Cheetos. So like I said, I only bought 10 boxes. I was going to wipe the shelf out. And the guy that works there was looking at me and laughing. Like, you know, he was like cracking up because I was grabbing everything. I was like, nah, I should leave some for some people. And I left 4 of these left. They do have a whole shelf of the flaming hot. And they do have the jalapeno cheese. But this is the bowl cheese. Oh my God, this is so good. And it's a nice big box. So it's not like a skinny little macaroni and cheese box. These are really, really good. I highly, highly recommend them. So Cheetos, the company, whoever makes Cheetos, letting you guys know, I love this. This is really, really good. You have to try this. So anyway, I was really happy to find those again. And then at Walmart, I found these bar soaps. They have a lot of new products over there, guys. Oh my, knowing me, I will buy the whole store. They have everything. Oh my God. I've seen so much new soaps and body washes I never seen before. But like I said, I'm overstocked. I have like maybe 20 or 30 years supply of beauty products on shelves. Like, I'm overstocked, but I still keep buying anyway. I like to try new things. So I ended up buying more. This is a 4-pack here. This is a Degree. I think this one is for women. They also have men's too. They also have it in liquid. This is Degree. It's called Maximum Recovery Degree Bar. I don't know. It has it says Epsom salts in there and lavender. So I figured, you know, this might help if you have sore feet and you're washing your feet, your legs. I don't know. It's just a bar soap. So I grabbed that from Walmart. And then I grabbed this one from Walmart. This one is Epsom salts with citrus extract. So this is like a gold yellow bar. These are the only two that I've seen there. They all have a whole bunch of liquids. They have so much stuff for men, women. They have a lot of good stuff. I'm definitely going back to that Walmart. It's just far though. That one's a little far out. It took me more than an hour to get there, but it's okay. And then at the Walmart, I bought these movies. This was $10. So I don't know if it's scary or not, but it caught my eye. It's called Clown Doll, the Clown Doll. And it looks spooky there. It's got these ugly looking clowns. And so this one was $10. And then I picked up this one. It's called the Amityville Witches. Amityville Witches. And this one was $10. So I don't know if this one's good, but the title, you know, caught my attention. So I grabbed those from Walmart. And then I also at Walmart, this was in a regular bin. I got this one. It's called Crawl. And it's a good scary one, but a crocodile. So it's the crocodile movie, of course. My husband's not into crocodiles and shark movies and things like that. I like them. Then I found the 2-pack. I already have Gremlins already, but I didn't have the part 2 again, so I got this one as both. You get Gremlins 1 and Gremlins 2. So this is an old funny classic. Super cute. And then my son found this one in there. It's called Jack in the Box. And I guess it's like a killer clown or something. It's really ugly. Look at the eyes. It looked similar like to the other movie that I just bought. So it looks like that. It's really creepy looking. So I decided to pick that up. So that's the stuff that I did get at Walmart, guys. So let me put this stuff aside because I have a huge Walmart haul and a bunch of new items. So let me like slide this down a little bit. Sorry, guys. I'm sitting here on the floor. Okay, for Walmart. I mean, Dollar Tree. I'm sorry, Dollar Tree. Now it's Dollar Tree. I picked up a whole bunch of Diet Pepsis. So I think I bought 4 bottles again. Yep, 4 bottles of Diet Pepsis. And then they got these back at the Dollar Tree, guys. I got more of the Rice Krispie Treats, the caramels. So I got 2 boxes of those. And put them aside. And then I got a whole bunch of new goodies, guys. A lot of new items came out. So this is what I'm going to share with you guys. I got a new Neutrogena. This is a face mask. It's called Deep Clean. A Deep Clean mask from Neutrogena. And Neutrogena is a really good brand. So I definitely got that. And then I saw these at the Dollar Tree. This is LA Colors. It's a glow stick. So it looks like that. It's like a stick. I think it's a highlighter stick. I don't know what the color is, but I like the packaging. So I picked up that at the Dollar Tree. Then I got these new, I think they're Bolero again, new body wipes. So these are cleansing body wipes. And this is sweet orange, alcohol-free. Yeah, Jehovah and sweet orange. I got that one from Dollar Tree. I got another Bolero wipes, body cleansing wipes. This one is, let me see if it zooms in. I know it's coconut. Lavender with coconut oil. Okay. They have these at Walmart. I bought these before in the past. These are really, really good. They're shampoo bars. These cost $5 something at Walmart. I got it at the Dollar Tree. They had 6 of these left. I grabbed all 6 on the shelf. I didn't see no more. Shampoo bars. This is the Ocean Fresh Breeze. It smells so good. This does the job. It has like a little metal can in here with a lid to keep it dry. These work excellent. At first, I was scared to try a shampoo bar. I bought these at Walmart in the past. These do lather. Makes your hair very silky and soft. It's really good. It's like it just melts down into your scalp. You shampoo and you put the bar right there inside this little tin thing with the lid. These are excellent products. I was shocked to see these at the Dollar Tree. So they only had 6 left. I bought all 6. Here's another Neutrogena deep cleaning mask again. It's a different one. And then I got more of the Bolero wipes. This is the cleansing body wipes. This one is raspberry and fresh mint. And then this Bolero cleansing body wipes. This one is, let's see if it zooms in. Zoom in, zoom in. I think it's green tea and, let me see. It doesn't want to zoom in. I think it says citrus oil and tea tree oil. Aloe vera or something like that. So I got that one. It doesn't want to zoom in, guys. And then, like I said, I have a whole bunch of these bars. These are excellent. I was so happy to see them. Grabbed all of them. I didn't leave none left at the store. And then I got this mask right here. This is from John Freeman. It's called whoops. I don't have this one. It's like a yellow. It looks like it has beads and stuff inside. Melting sugar face mask. Picked that up. Then I picked up another LA Colors. Here's another stick. This is a blush stick now. Blush stick. Don't know what the color is, but it looks like a light shimmery color. Got some Reese's Cups. Reese's Cups again. I'm always grabbing those. Got another Reese's Cup. And then I found this over there. This is LA Colors. This is Intense Color Lip Gloss. It got a little foggy for a moment. So that's the only color that I've seen. It's a nice, pretty color. Oops. Okay. Now I got some other new items here from Dollar Tree. This one is another new body wash. Nice big tube. Moisture rich body wash. This one is almond milk and vanilla bean. So it looks like that. So I guess they're coming out with a new spring line or something. They usually do. Then this one's at Dollar Tree. This one is another moisture-rich body wash. This one is pineapple and peach. Yeah, pineapple and peach. Sounds really good. And they do really work. They lather and they smell good. I got another shampoo bar again. Then this is the blue one. This is a body yogurt. These work great after you take a shower. You put these on, they work good. They moisturize and keep your skin soft. This is the vanilla bean and almond milk body yogurt. Got that one. Then this is a Bolero shampoo. I'm not too crazy about their shampoos, but their conditioners really work. Something's up with this lid. Okay, so this one is a shampoo. This is a rose water and Jehovah shampoo. So I got that one from Bolero. And then I got this one from Bolero. Rose water and Jehovah conditioner. Here's another body wash from the Dollar Tree. This one is moisture rich. Cactus pear and avocado. So that sounds interesting. I also picked up this from Dollar Tree. Here's another Really big body wash. This one is lychee and rose. I love anything to do with roses, floral, and beautiful scents like that. I got another Bolero shampoo. Oh no, this is the conditioner. This is strawberry and bamboo. Strawberry and bamboo. I love bamboo. Bamboo is so good for the skin. Smells great. And then I got this lipstick here. This one is, this is a lipstick. Yeah, it's like a two-ended lipstick. This is from Wet n Wild, I believe. You get two of them on the tip. Really pretty color. It looks like a purple and then a pink. Not really sure what the color is. Hold on, guys. I'm trying to rush really quickly. This is the last bag of new items. Here's another shampoo bar. Then I found two of these. These are, I believe, Wet n Wild. Whoops. Stay still. It's like slide on my fingers. I believe this is a Wet n Wild. I can't really see with the flash. The black is black. These are mascaras. Really good to have. Here's another shampoo bar. Here's another Bolero body yogurt. So this one I can't see offhand. Come on, zoom in, zoom in. Cactus, pear, and avocado again. So I got that. Then I got the shampoo right here of the Bolero, strawberry and bamboo. And then I got another body yogurt. This one is the cactus, pear, and avocado again. So I guess I got two. And then this is another body yogurt. Pineapple and peach. Just like the body washes. Here's another one. This one is another body yogurt. Zoom in, zoom in. Lychee and rose. After shower. And these work really great, guys. And they melt into your skin afterwards. So, and then this one here, another body yogurt. This one is lychee and rose. So, okay, so I got like two of each or something. So that's it, guys. That's all the new stuff I picked up at Dollar Tree. Over $40 worth. And then I went to Walmart. All the stuff was $70. Plus the movies and everything. So anyway, thanks for watching this quick Walmart haul. And Dollar Tree, of course. Tell me if you ever tried any of these products. They might have more Bolero items out. Like I said, these wipes down here that I did buy, they're body wipes. They're not for your eyes, like your face wipes. But you can use them to wipe down your body if you go to the gym. You're wiping down your hands. You know, you can wipe your face, but just don't use it on the eyes. Or your, you know, private areas and things like that. But that's good for, like, wiping down, like, your hands and stuff like that. So, anyway, that's it, guys. That's all I picked up at Dollar Tree and Walmart. Thanks for watching this haul. Stay tuned for more videos. And I will talk to you guys later on. Have a good day and be safe out there, guys. Bye.